So this is my current task. There's a wood stove here, and all the, where they put the chimney cement, all around here, it's all cracking and breaking off. And in the back, it didn't have a standardized plug, so they used an old wagon wheel. And that would need to be cemented in. It's falling off, so now it allows, up here, it allows a, greater airflow to come through, because normally the airflow is controlled by this here, and that'll control your rate of burn, is not being airtight. It does control it, but not a whole lot. Now if you look inside here, and I probably need to put some light in there, I would just put in with this piece here, and the heat has done a number on it there. It's really caused it to crush down in and it's getting eaten away at the bottom that's closest to the fire, and that allowed the wagon wheel there seal to just fall down and create that other gap there. So now if you get too much air in one of these wood stoves, you'll end up with a condition they call overfiring the firebox. And basically what that is when there's too much air or too hot of a fire, often caused by too much air, but it's too hot of a fire for the firebox, and that can cause cast iron to glow red and even white. And if it gets hot enough, you can actually see the outline of the wood through the side of the fireplace. But you also run the risk of causing your chimney to overheat and causing a fire. The wood around the chimney on the inside of the wall there can overheat and catch on fire. But this here is it's just loose. So we're gonna take that off and get it sealed back up. We'll hit all this with a wire brush to help loosen it all up. Sometimes a stiff putty knife works good for getting this stuff off. You should always vacuum this loose stuff off so the new fireplace cement will stick better. Now, if you find it difficult to get these lids off on small things like this, you can use your putty knife just to pry it open. They pop right off. This is making a mess. So if the putty knife doesn't work, you can always use your fingers. Probably a little funner that way anyways.